So this fridge have a defrosting problem. Oh, check how it works. There is something called a thermostat. It's when the power leave this card here, it go to the thermostat. And then the thermostat send power to this. This are the timer, right? Now this timer can go in a something called defrost mode, and it can also go in a cooling mode. It's when it go in a cooling mode, it sends power to this, the compressor. And also that. You understand? Which is the evaporator fan. You understand? So once that fan is spinning, or once the system is in run, that fan is supposed to be spinning, and the compressor must also be running. So what you find out is that when you have a defrosting problem, most of the time that timer might stuck in a run, meaning there's a run. It's normal supposed to run for like 8 hours, some of them 6 hours or 6.5 hours, or some of them are 12.5 hours, and then it's supposed to go in defrost for half an hour. You understand? So sometimes it just stuck in a run and it not going at defrost. Now you see, if it's stuck in a run, guess what will happen now? That's a sign that the timer is not good. However, this is what will happen. When the timer going at defrost, it is supposed to send electrical power to the heater. That means power will come through that wire here, go straight down. The heating element is beneath here. You understand? So it's supposed to send power to it. However, the heating element will not come on if the circuit is not closed. So this now is a thermostat, defrosting thermostat. So once this pick up, say yo, it not get too cold enough. So the circuit, so this circuit need to close. So once this circuit close, the circuit from the heating element will be completed, and as such, the heating element is going to come on and cause down here to get real hot. So when down here to get hot now, that heap of ice you see build up here, so are gonna melt. You understand? Right now, if you check run at the back of the fridge, you realize that you know no water is going down there. Water is supposed to go down there. Where does that water come from? From here, the defrosting. Ice build up. You understand? Ice is supposed to build up in us like that. You understand? Because the fridge needs space to breathe, so that when this spin, air can go down there for cool down at the refrigerating part of the fridge. You understand? So up here in the freezer, down this at the refrigerating part. Down there is a refrigerator. You understand? So it's just basically that. So I'm gonna put the refrigerator at defrost. And see if the heating element don't come on. See if the heating element come on. It is showing me that look, this is good, and the heating element is also good. You see, if it don't come on,